And today we're going to talk about personal space in regards to the Spanish-speaking cultures. And in our culture, the concept of personal space is much different than that of the cultures in the Spanish-speaking world. When you're learning a language, you're not just learning the words that make up the language. Part of learning a language is learning about the culture, and that includes things like personal space. So I want you to think about how you typically manage your personal space in your everyday lives here in the United States. Most of the time, we like about an arm's length or an arm's length and a half of personal space between us and the person that we're talking to. So let's take a look and see what this looks like in everyday culture in the United States.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
So if you see Colin and Eric, if you guys hold out your hands, they have at least an arm's length and a half distance. Are you guys at a pretty comfortable distance from each other right now?
It's pretty normal.
Okay, so let's take a look and see what this looks like stay right there, in the Spanish-speaking world. So what I want you to do is pause this video and go find a partner. Go find a friend or family member that can help you out. So pause the video, find someone to help you out. All right, so what we're going to do is I want you to see how the concept of personal space is different in the Spanish-speaking world. So I want you and your partner to face each other, and you can greet each other. Hola.
Hola.
All right, now I want each of you, so you're standing a normal, comfortable distance apart like you would in the United States, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? I want each of you to take one large step towards each other. Are you still super comfortable? No. So this is a good example of personal space in other countries. Now, again, every country can vary slightly, but for the most part, the personal distance with which you stand when you are speaking to someone from a Spanish-speaking country or when you are in a Spanish-speaking country is much closer than it is in the United States. So if you're talking to someone that's a Spanish speaker and they keep moving closer to you, it's okay. It's just a cultural difference. They're not trying to pickpocket you or feel you up or anything. They're just demonstrating a part of their culture. Personal space is much closer in the Spanish-speaking world than it is in our culture. Ok, clase. Hasta luego.